Hello, my name is Mike and today I will be doing an unboxing of Clean Touch CT-5000R EL. This is the box right here. As we can see, it has a nice handle here. It has measurement guides here as well. And just to let you know, Clean Touch, they're provided by a company that's been around since 2001 in Canada, and they are, as far as I know, the only bidet company in Canada providing a Canadian warranty. So if you have any problems with your bidets, you wouldn't need to ship it to the States to get it fixed. Repair center is in Vancouver, so just ship it locally within Canada. As you can see, opening up the box, we have our accessories. At the top, we have a hose here, and this is a 1/2 inch to 1/2 inch hose. You also have a little baggie like this. Oh, I don't know if you can see, a little baggie like this. And inside the baggie, you have some screws for your wall-mounted remote control holder, which is this guy right here. You also have some accessories to install the mounting bracket onto the toilet. And you also have a T valve as well, so you don't need to buy that separately. It all comes together. And batteries for the remote control. So those are all the accessories. You can see that it's kind of packaged nicely. We'll take this little styrofoam thing out. Kind of keeps the plug separated so it doesn't scratch the bidet like that. So you have here the bidet itself, and you have some other stuff in here too along with the bidet. So you have a handy little, I guess you can call it cardboard cutout to help you line up your mounting bracket when you install it. And you also have mounting bracket itself put here, and also you have the instructions booklet here, English and French, all in the same booklet. Okay, so pulling the bidet out. Here you go. This is the bidet. I'm sure we're gonna have a close-up shot edited into the video somewhere. So as you see, it is Clean Touch logo here at the top, and this is the elongated size. On the left side, you have your 1/2 inch water inlet. You also have two buttons. The first one is the power button and the stop button. Second one is the automatic function. So basically you press this and then the bidet automatically does a wash and a dry function. On the other side, you have your power cord, and this is, I believe, 1.2 meters or 4 feet. So you can see that the bidet here, it's pretty slim. It should be about 30% slimmer than other bidets. And this is because the bidet has instant heating technology. So it doesn't have a big water tank at the back to keep the water warm. It has a heater inside that can instantly heat up the water from whatever the incoming temperature is, all the way up to wherever you set it at, 34 to 40 degrees Celsius. So yep, instant hot water on demand, and it can basically keep the water warm forever. So if you want to sit there for 20 minutes, the water running, you can. Opening up the lid, it is a slow closing lid. Pretty slow. Definitely don't have to worry about the lid getting slammed down. Also, the seat itself is slow closing too. If I can demonstrate. Snail's pace, but you know, nice and quiet and silent, and that's the point. Yeah, so looking at like this, you can see the elongated shape. You can see the sensor here sticker. You can remove it if you want. When you're using the bidet, you have to make sure that this part, skin is touching this part. If there's nothing touching here, then the bidet won't work. It's kind of like a safety feature to prevent spraying when nobody's sitting on it. Also some warning here, you can be sure to read it. The seat itself, you can see these rubber padding here. When you install it, you have to make sure that all 4 rubber padding are firmly on the ceramic of the toilet bowl. If you have some gaps, then you might want to double check and make sure there's no gaps, because if there are gaps, then potentially it can cause the seat to crack. So yeah, make sure all 4 feet is resting firmly on the toilet. There's 2 flaps. One of the flap is an air dry flap, which is this one, and another flap, it covers the nozzle. So whenever the bidet is not in use, the nozzle will be retracted inside, covered with a flap to protect the nozzle from getting dirty. But when the bidet is being used, the nozzle will extend out. A white plastic tip, and the white plastic tip, you can actually pull it off and clean it or replace it if you have to. So best of both worlds, you know, stainless steel to be for easy cleaning. There's a night light in here as well. Yeah, so to go over the remote control, there's the remote. Here's a magnetic dock, so you can see that there's some holes here. Alternatively, you can buy some sticky tape and stick it onto the wall there. It is magnetic. What kind of battery does it use? Well, battery compartments here, fingernails, Trust me, it takes 2 AAA batteries. If I could open it and show you, I would. Yep, so that is the remote control. As you can see, there is the hot cold massage function, night light function, nozzle cleaning function, has a posterior wash and the front wash for females, automatic clean, so it goes through a cleaning cycle and a dry cycle automatically for you. Has a dry as well, adjustable water temperature, dryer, and seat. So some cool things about this bidet is that it has a aeration system. So the 2 strongest pressures for the bidet is aerated spray. Incorporates an air stream into the water stream, and together it gives you an even more forceful but also gentler spray. You would have to try it to feel it. Also, the dryer, it has 3 speeds. So normally bidets, they only have maybe 1 or maximum of 2 different speeds, but this air dryer has 3 speeds, and the top speed is actually pretty strong. So instead of sitting there for 5 minutes or more being dried, maybe it'll take, time varies of course, you know, depending on the temperature, but it'll take less time compared to a slower air dryer, obviously. And yeah, that is the unboxing video. Yes. For you.